왜? 왜?
지렁이.
지렁이 있어? 오 마이 갓. 어스워. 어스워.
그래서 지렁이.
지렁이. 어스워. It's crab walking, girl. This is a hiking the map. Hiking map.
여기 안에는 뭐 있어?
Now we are here. Here. We are here now, and we walk through here. Okay. 덥지?
됐어. 아니 이거 끝날 때
TP 끝났. 저기 금방 지치겠는데?
강아지 풀 ever 있어.
우리 집 뒤에 이렇게 좋은 데가 있었다니.
땅콩풀이 강아지 풀이야. Can you believe? 왜 이렇게 커?
It's very good way to go, right?
Why wouldn't there be a deer push-up? Because a deer can come out of nowhere.
Huh? Yeah. This is our camping place. Let's make a camping here. 야, 이거 진짜 캠핑하면 딱이다.
찍어줄까 사진 둘이?
Are you model? You're so cool, man. You're so cool. You're like a model. 숲속에 향기 너무 좋다, 그치?
밤이 있어.
밤이 있지?
그때 하이킹 갈때 다람쥐도 있었고 뱀도 있었잖아.
맞아. 그때는 in Hong Kong or in Korea?
홍콩.
Oh, yeah, that's true. There were Bam and 다람쥐 there, right?
Yeah. But if you touch this, what happens?
Then you hurt
Why?
because it's very sharp.
But isn't it electric?
No, it's not electronic, but it's very sharp. And they are doing some training over there for the very hard training. There.
And he bite me.
What they bite you?
He bites me then. Oh, look at this. He bites me then it all bleeds.
Oh, the gun
Yeah. When you become 20, then you have to come here to keep protect your family from the attack. Maybe from North Korea or some other enemy.
Yeah.
You have to protect your family. It might be.
You didn't.
I did. I did, girl. I went to Kunde and protect my family. How about you? Do you want it? Do you want it, girl?
Yeah.
Yes, I can. Eddie.
So funny.
Church is over there. Kunde also have church. Kunde also have 하나님. So 하나님 will keep protecting you.
I know.
Do you want to
Hananim
say?
is everywhere.
Yeah, 하나님 is everywhere.
Hananim is even here.
Yeah, even here.
But do you know? Hananim also love. Hananim also love prisoners, but not that
Yeah.
much.
I don't know.
But they still like.
Yeah, 하나님 still love prisoners. 하나님 still love prisoners, but not that much. 저기.
안 아파?
네가 나 꼬집었지?
아니.
Then you'll be taller than mommy.
Honey,
Maybe.
today was very short, right?
Huh?
Very short course. No?
아까.
Why?
No, I read in a book that girls only grow up to when they're young and then they stop growing for some time, and then they start growing when they're like start to jog. No, when in 대학생 저 조금 더
So you're gonna stop soon? No, you have 2 more years.
No, 3 more years. No, wait. No, 2 more years for growing.
Yeah. I think you'll be tall
Oh,
enough.
here is Hanif, the kindergarten, 도단 유치원.
Huh? Is it?
Let's check.
Maybe the level behind the builder fence.
Maybe.